Another one for you guys, velvet. If you have a velvet sofa, do not use these on your velvet. This is a shoe brush, suede shoe brush. Do not use that. No, no. So velvet, you'll need one of these. This is a boffin brush. Use these to get rid of some organic marks on your velvet, or just typically to brush and get rid of the dust and whatever on your sofa. We use these. This is another brush that we use. This is a horsehair brush. This one is similar, same horsehair brush. We use these to brush after we've done cleaning to reset the nap back on your velvet. So guys, thanks for watching. Remember, I'll leave a link in the description. Like, share and subscribe. Remember, we love your comments. Thank you for watching Safeclean-Walkingtv.